Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to earn money and start writing on Medium. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So if you are someone who likes to write articles and blog posts, here you can do that and you can earn money with it. So after you have signed up to Medium, then you can start writing, and you can start writing if you click on this icon. And then here you have to type in your story, your blog post, or whatever you are writing about. You have to give a title, and after that you can type in the story. Here you can select text to change formatting, add headers or create links, add images and other media by starting a new line and clicking that plus. After that, include content from Medium or other sites by pasting a link and pressing enter. You can mention anyone in your story by typing and then their name. They will get a notification after you publish. Want another pair of eyes on your story? Click share for a link you can send to friends or editors. To customize how your story is distributed and presented to readers, click more settings in the third dot menu. Click the third dot in the top right corner to bring back these hints and see more editor help. Select text to change. Okay, so this is from the beginning. So you could see the settings by typing and writing your articles. Here you can add the photo, you can type keywords to search and splash and press enter, and so on. And then if you are all done, you wrote your story, you added the images and so on, you have to click on the publish. Like this. And then here you can see that you have to add the story preview. I mean, include a high quality image in your story to make it more inviting to readers. You can write a preview subtitle, and you can add, or you have to add or change text up to 5 so readers know what your story is about. And after that you have to click on the publish now, and then they will read your story, and if it's good and they think that it's worth publishing, they will publish it. In the other videos I'm going to talk about the publishers, the publishing sites, and then you will get more information about that. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.